Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Parkside toolkit. Included 23 pieces set inside in a practical tool bag. You can see some of the tools. Of course, let's open it to find out what we've got inside one by one. Nice. And voila, there is some metallic around here, and you can close it and open it very easy. Inside we have this, you can install it and here, and you can carry on into your shoulders or with your hand. Around you can find some very convenient position into the bag to put your tools, and here, same here. Now let's see inside one by one what we've got. We've got this hammer, nice, very durable, soft grip. We have one set of side cutters, one pair of long nose pliers, one adjustable spanner, 6 to 150 millimeter, 5 precision screwdrivers, one spirit level. It's plastic, but I think it will do the job. It has magnet, very convenient. Yep, it is magnet. One box cutter with a blade, nice grip. The screw, unscrew it and change the blade. One screwdriver handle, with a magnet inside for your bits, 10-25 millimeters of bits, some Phillips, nice, and of course the last, it is one tape measure, 5 meters. And you can lock it with this button and unlock it. And this is for your bell. Or with a button down there, you can stop it. Well, that was all. You can see inside. Everything is nice, very good, in the right position that it should be. And here you can close it and put some tools. Wherever is suitable for you. Outside, inside, wherever you want. Or you can put some other things that you've got. Very nice and practical bag. It cost about 23 euros and included, of course, all these tools. Well guys, if you need something like that to carry on with you into your car, into the camping, your garage, your basement, your home, for some small DIY jobs, why not? I think this is a great solution, and with a lovely bag. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.